right, let's look at an example of how to use Euler's method. So we have the differential equation dy dx is equal to y. And we're going to start at the point p0 is equal to 0, 1. We're going to use delta x equal to 0.1. So I've listed all of our points out here. So p0 is our first point, which is 0 and 1. And then we're going delta x equal to 0.1. So I just incremented each of these by 0.1. Okay, to figure out what our next y value will be, we're going to take this and add delta y to that. And delta y is the slope times delta x. And we know the slope of the tangent line is dy dx, okay, at that point, and then times our delta x. So in other words, what we're looking at doing is doing y times delta x. If I just make this replacement here. Okay, so this first one here, my y value is 1. My delta x is fixed the whole time. It's 0.1. I guess we could actually really rewrite this as y times 0.1 since our delta x is fixed. And that's going to give me 0.1. And to get my new y value, this point is going to be 0.1 comma whatever this y value is. I'm going to take this y and add this delta y. So that gives me 1.1. Right, so here's my first point, 0.1 comma 1.1. Okay, to find P2, my second point, I'm going to take this formula. So my y value is 1.1, and I'm going to multiply by delta x, which is 0.1. And that's going to give me 0.11. I'm going to take this and add it to the 1.1, and that'll give me the y value for P2. So that gives me 1.21. Okay. And then I'm ready to work on finding the y value for my third point. So I'll take 1.21 and multiply by 0.1. And that's going to give me 0.121. And I'm going to add that to my previous value here. I have 1.21 plus 0.121. Gives me 1.331. So the third point on our graph would be 0.3 for the x value and 1.331 for the y value. Okay, so I get 1.331 times my 0.1 gives me 0.1331. I'm going to add this number to my previous y value to get P4. So I have, there's that value, and then I'm going to add plus 0.1331. Just a couple extra pluses there. Okay, so it gives me 1.4641. Okay, and then to get my last value here, so I can find P5, I'm going to take 1.4641 and multiply by 0.1. So that gives me 0.14641. I'm going to add this to my previous value. So plus 0.14641 is the 1.61051. Okay, and there we go. We were going to keep going. We'd fill out that next line, but otherwise that gives us our Euler method with 5 steps there. We did.